In this video, we will learn how to fix invisible faces of models in Unity by duplicating the faces like so. So there are different ways to fix that issue. Some of the solution would be done in the shader or on the GPU side, and the other could be done on the mesh side by duplicating the faces. In this video, we will explore an answer by Aldo Naletto. I'll put a link in the description. This answer duplicates the faces of the meshes. So I'll start by creating a button, right click, and then UI, and then button text mesh pro. Now I will import a model. So under the asset, I'll create a new folder. We'll call it models, and we'll open this folder, and then I'll have a demo model. I'll just drag it. It's OBJ file. I'll drag it inside the model. And make sure to select that demo model in the asset or the model you imported. And then in the inspector properties, change the read and write. Make sure to tick that so we could modify the mesh within the code later. And make sure to select apply to apply the settings or the tick we just applied. In the hierarchy, I'll create empty, right click, create empty. We'll call it model. And I will drag the newly imported object file or model inside that empty model object. And I will select the demo and I'll just reset its orientation. Now it's time to create the script. So under the asset, I'll create a new folder. We'll call it scripts. And inside it, I'll right click, create C#. I will call it DoubleFaces. And I will drag it into a game object. In this case, I will put it in the into the model object. If I select the model, we'll see the DoubleFaces script is here. I'll double click the file to open it in my editor, which is Visual Studio. This is the code, and I'll put a GitHub link to the code in the description, and I'll also put a link to a long version tutorial that go through the details of this code. So if we save the file and go back to the Unity editor, and because we assign the script to the model game object, drag the model game object into this public variable. And now also I need to go to the button to assign the new script or the method to it. So I'll go to the only click and add, and then drag the game object that has the script in it, which is the model. Drag it here, and then I'll need to select DoubleFaces script, and inside it duplicate faces. Click that. Now if I click play, we'll see the faces are missing, but as soon as I click the button, all the missing faces are here. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and click the notifications button to help me make more videos like this.